3-dimensional laser cutting machine for motorcycle fuel tank trimming. On-site shooting by Sintec of 3-dimensional cutting for die-cast stainless steel motorcycle fuel tank shell. Can accurately cut complex figure and curves. Hose cutting, trimming and other processes are completed at one time. The incision is narrow and neat, has good consistency without burrs, providing efficient, high-precision solutions and quality assurance. For motorcycle tank manufacturing, no maintenance and the floor area is small, which can help companies in motorcycle industry save a lot of cost and time. Here is the cutting sample by Sintec Optronics, your laser expert. If you have any interests or problems, please leave a message or send email to me. Your consultation will be welcomed at any time.